Hi guys, this is Matthew here again from Engage and Immerse with another short video, Ideas for Music Interaction. And in this video we're going to be making a musical instrument. Very simple, it's a Pringle tube drum. Something a little bit more exciting than just shoving a bit of pasta in, a bit of rice and then shaking it. Okay, nothing wrong with a shaker, a homemade shaker, but this is a little bit more creative, a little bit more interesting, and hopefully you guys like it and try it yourselves. So what you'll need is an empty Pringle tube, and you'll need to take the end off. I used the hammer to rake the end off, the opposite end of a hammer, to sort of claw it off. Once that was off, we've got a hollow tube, and now we need a balloon and some scissors. What we're going to do is cut the top half of the balloon off like this. There we go. And we're going to secure the balloon over the top end of the Pringle tube so it's nice and taut, nice and stretched, so that it resonates a bit like a drum skin. And the idea is you don't want any bubbles, okay? Bubbles are the enemy of a nice resonant tone. So before you secure it, you can test it just to see if it is nice and resonant. So that's not too bad, we'll go with that. Just a little bit more on this side. Can't hurt, right? Right, so when it's on, nice and taut, secure it in place with an elastic band. You can use tape if you want it to be a bit more permanent. An elastic band works fine. And of course, decorate it if you've got children, or even if you're working with someone who's older, perhaps someone with dementia. Still be fun to personalise this by decorating it any way you see fit. But this is the basics. Now I find a chopstick particularly good for hitting it with, so let's give it a go. So have fun.